Finally, the time has arrived and Arcade is here. The app already has over 1.5 million users who are participating in the 10 games. Could you ever imagine that you can earn $1,000 every week just by doing nothing but playing games? Isn't it a win-win situation for you? There are 10 different games available in Arcade, including puzzle, action, card, and arcade games. Both competitions and 1v1 encounters with other players are open to you. Arcade is a play-to-earn gaming app for smartphones. Card games, puzzle games, easy runner games, target practice, and penalty shootouts are all examples of mobile gaming. They're the kind of items you would anticipate finding on Google Play or the App Store. The difference is that with Arcade, you don't have to pay to download the app. Instead, you can get rewards for participating. What's the game's mechanism? You compete with another player for their in-game Genie tokens before starting a game. If you defeat your opponent, you take home every token. With Arcade, especially card games, there's a gambling component due to the staking of tokens against other players. However, there's also a great deal of skill. You must download Arcade to your computer or mobile device from one of the major app stores to play the games. This indicates that certain KYC requirements must be met, which prevents this platform from being completely decentralized. However, blockchain gamers can make use of the play-to-earn features and gain rewards. You'll also need Genie tokens to stake to win rewards when competing. These are available on decentralized Polygon exchanges like QuickSwap and Uniswap. The software supports 2 different currencies. Credits are the free money you acquire by finishing daily tasks and playing video games. As the first play-to-earn layer in Arcade, you may use this to participate in practice matches to hone your skills and also join sponsored tournaments with Genie incentives. The cryptocurrency of the gaming ecosystem is known as Genie tokens, and it may be acquired by participating in sponsored events as well as by competing in token matches and tournaments. You can follow the Genie token's value here. This coin can be traded outside of Arcade, delivered to Arcade from external wallets and exchanges, and used to buy Gbot NFTs during the future pre-sale. Tournaments. Today's tournament is located in the Play section's upper right corner. It features 3 separate categories: token competitions, Genie awards, and Genie buy-in; practice competitions with a credit buy-in and credit payouts; sponsored tournaments, buy-in with credits and Genie rewards. There is no cap on the number of players allowed in the competitions, and the best players will split the prize money. Prize money, tournament length, and top finishers might vary from one competition to the next. How can I enter a competition? The procedures are quite easy to follow. Step 1. Select the competition you want to watch. Step 2. Click Join Tournament XY. Step 3. Start the game. Step 4. After your score has been entered, you can try again with different buy-ins. Your highest score will be the one that is submitted. 1v1 contests. You can play a 1v1 match against another player with comparable gaming skills in any of our games. How do 1v1 games function? Choose a game of your preference. Once you've chosen your game, you may decide whether you want to play for tokens or use credits for a practice game. You can start playing the game right now by tapping on your desired tier. The higher the tier, the greater the payout. Your scores will fight for the total amount of the match fees when you're paired up with another player. After the game is over, meaning both players submitted their scores within 24 hours, the prize money is then given to the winner. By fighting against opponents for a set sum, you can win Genie. In contrast, you will forfeit the Genie tokens you bet if you lose versus opponents. With the Genie token, you can stake your Gbot and receive rewards according to how frequently you lock it away. Depending on the rarity of the Gbots and the number of NFTs staked at any given time, the daily payouts will fluctuate. So what's your thought on this now? Tell us what you think in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more such exciting content. Thanks for watching.